Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be putting on a trunk net for our 2021 Toyota Sequoia. Pretty much the same for that entire body style. This is from Trunk Nets Incorporated, so I have a link in the video description where you can pick this up on Amazon, and this was the only one that had a picture of the Sequoia. So very simple, you just put the latch up and hook it on. Then with the top, it's just a small loop that goes around the top, so the vehicle is already set up to have this. You can see there's quite a bit of space that other items can get around, so you want to be careful with that. It's mainly intended for you to open this up and put things inside of it, maybe like a soccer ball or some other loose items. So as an example, I put a few things in here. This is what it's really designed for, not to be much of a tailgate, but I like it like this to put our bag in there. Make sure nothing ever gets caught in that latch or you'll have a really bad day. But this one does kind of slope down, so just to have it catch a few items when the tailgate comes up is helpful. It was pretty tight as I stretched, but you do want to watch on the sides there that nothing comes around it. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's pretty quick, pretty simple, goes right in there. So check the video description. I'll put more information on that and a whole playlist that I'm starting on this Toyota Sequoia, so hopefully you'll enjoy that. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And here's a few scenes from the beautiful red rocks in this area. Just wanted to leave you with a few glamour shots. Thanks guys.